So Andy Vargas, lead singer for 20 years and a leader, because you take your success and you do something with it. You take your success and you help others, the next generation, even maybe some that are older than you, remind them what really matters in life. What is creativity to you? What is creativity in your life? What has it done for you?
It's what I every morning, the thought of being able to create just starts my morning off with a blessed day. After I meditate and make my gratitude list, pray. I don't always have the luxury I used to with kids, but uh, you know, creativity for me fills my soul. Music and being able to get lost during this time of COVID. I know what's going on out there. I mean, it's not going on in here. I respect it and love it. I respect and love, being able to be here. And I respect what's going on outside in the world, but it's such a blessing to sitting here and play the piano and sitting here, listen to records, sitting here, and create, and write a song or collaborate. I'll never stop doing that. No matter what happens in life, I'll never stop doing that.